This isn't retro, but this is cool. At the suggestion of my wife, I got one of these because I use a Model M at work on my PC. But I also have a Mac, and I have 2 keyboards on my desk, and as much as I love the Model M, and I do, this can switch among 3 different devices. I got the Clicky. I've been borrowing my wife's. Hers is not Clicky, but I really, really like it. Nothing is ever as good as a Model M, but I've also found that these special function keys work on both the PC and the Mac. It is also backlit. It might not light up all right now because it's not paired to anything, but the keys do light up. And yeah, it's a good keyboard. It's just a little Logitech. So it's the Logitech MX Mechanical Clicky switches. That's a pretty cool keyboard. Also, if you don't want to use Bluetooth, it's got one of these receivers, which means I bet it will work even on this Amiga 1000. That we learned last night works with this keyboard adapter. And there you can see the backlights. I highly recommend this keyboard.